Good morning everyone. Today we are going to revise congruency of triangles. Okay. So first, I hope you all have drawn the figures, written the congruency, symbolic form and criteria. Okay. Now I am going to ask you a question. So first one, you have to tell me the symbolic form of the congruency of triangles along with the criteria. So tell me, Arya. Triangle ABC, okay, congruent to triangle PQR. Listen carefully. I have drawn 5 pairs of triangles. Among them you have to mention the correct criteria of triangles and correct symbolic form. Whenever I write the symbolic form, at that time I have to take care of the corresponding parts. Okay Arya, sit. Next, anybody else? Okay, Om. Triangle ABC is congruent to.
From RPQ by SAS.
Let's see. RPQ. Let me check the corresponding parts. Everyone. Here, if I have drawn single cut, it means AB is equals to PR. So let me check. AB equals to PR. Yes, AB and PR are together. First two. AB, PR. Okay, next is angle A is equals to angle R. Angle A single cut with angle R single cut, it means angle A is equals to angle R. Okay, angle A is here, angle R is here. First position they have got, corresponding parts are correct. Now third, AC is equals to QR. So let me check, AC is equals to QR, correct? So it is following the correct corresponding parts, therefore this symbolic form is correct. Understood Arya? Why we are not writing PRQ? We have to write along triangle ABC, it will be RPQ according to the corresponding parts. Criteria is S, side, just check the sequence, side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So inside bracket I will write side, angle, side, congruence rule. Okay? Now next. No, Om you have given. Now next. Who will answer the next one? Okay. Beta, your name?
Anamika.
Anamika, yes.
Triangle ABC
Triangle ABC
is congruent to
is congruent to
triangle RPQ.
triangle RPQ. Once again RPQ we are getting. Okay, let me check. Sit down. You can answer in sitting position. Okay, here I have to check the corresponding parts. Angle B single cut, here single cut is angle P. So angle B equals to P. So B ke saath P. Correct. Second position. Understood? Now let's see. Angle C double cut, angle Q double cut. It means angle C is equals to angle Q. Okay. Angle C is equals to angle Q. They are in third position. Right? Now next. BC is equals to PQ. So BC is equals to PQ. Correct? BC is equals to PQ. So yes, it is following the corresponding parts correctly. Therefore, this congruency symbolic form is correct. And criteria, Anamika?
By
By ASA. ASA. How? Let me check. Angle, side, angle. We are talking about these three corresponding parts. Angle, side, angle. Congruence rule. Clear? How we are naming it? Okay, the next one is third one. Who is going to answer? Tanvi.
Triangle ABC
Triangle ABC.
congruent to triangle
Congruency symbol.
PQR.
Triangle PQR. Simple. Let me check. Let us check. Okay. Here AB is equals to QR. AB is equals to QR. AB is equals to QR. AB is single cut. QR is having single cut. It means they are equal. AB is equals to QR. But here is AB. Here I am getting PQ. But AB is not equals to PQ. It is equals to QR.
QR.
So
QRB.
QRP. Let me check. Can we understood why I can't label it as PQR? PQR will not be there. The sequence will be changed according to the corresponding parts which are equal. Like AB is equals to QR. Let me check then. AB is equals to QR. Okay. Next. BC is equals to PR. Yes, BC is equals to PR. BC side is equals to PR or RP side. The length will be equal, na? Therefore, BC is equals to PR or RP. No problem. Okay, next is AC is equals to PQ. AC is equals to PQ or QP. Correct? Now it is following the corresponding parts correctly. So yes, triangle ABC is congruent to QRP, not PRQ. By which criteria? SSS. Okay. SSS. Done. Now next question. Who will answer? Yes. Saurabh. Triangle CBA. Okay. CBA congruent to triangle PRQ. Let me check then. First I will check the corresponding parts whether it is correct or not. So here CB is equals to PR. Okay. CB is equals to PR. Next is angle B is equals to angle R. Angle B is in second position, so angle R should be in second position. Done. Correct. Now next, angle A. Angle A equals to angle A, the single cut. Where is the single cut? Here. Angle Q. So angle A is equals to angle Q. Yes, it is following the sequence properly. So by which criteria? Huh? Angle, side. Sequence check karo. Angle, then I am talking about this angle, then this side. Angle, side. AAS. Congruence rule. Correct? Now once, try this. Triangle ABC is congruent to QR RQP. Correct. RQP. Let us check the sequence. AB is equals to QR. AB is equals to QR. So AB is equals to QR or RQ. No problem. Okay. Angle B is equals to, angle B is 90. Here which angle is 90? Q is 90. So angle B is in middle position, second position. Here angle Q is in second position. Okay, it is following the sequence. Now next is AC is equals to PR. AC is equals to PR. Yes, it is following the sequence. Corresponding parts are matching. Therefore, they are congruent. Correct sequence. Now criteria. Why it is not ASS? We can't construct a triangle if we are given with angle side. Okay, ASS criteria is not there. Whenever ASS criteria is there for the right angle triangle, it will be RHS. R, right angle, H, hypotenuse, side, any of the two sides are there, any of the sides among these two. Okay, RHS criteria. Now, okay, done revision of congruency of triangles. Now, theorem is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. I'll draw the figure. Triangle A, B, C is a triangle. Okay, where meaning is the statement angles opposite to equal sides. There are two equal sides. If I say these two are equal sides, so angles opposite to equal sides, which angles are equal, Divyam? Which angles are equal here?
I mean ABC triangle.
Yes, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC, though angles which are opposite to equal sides. Angle B and angle C. angle B and angle C are opposite to equal sides. So what I have to prove once? I know in a triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. What are the angles? Which angles will be equal here? Shani is laughing. Why? Angle B will be equal to angle C, Shani, right? Okay. In triangle ABC, I know, Shani, I know what is given. In triangle ABC, what is given? What is given? AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. What to prove, Shani? What to prove? If in triangle AB equals to AC, then what can I say by this theorem? Shani, not attentive. Yes, Arya? Angle B equals to angle C. This is given, this is to prove, this is figure. Now, I need a construction for this. I'll draw angle bisector. Angle bisector of angle A. That is, I draw AD, which is angle bisector. This is not perpendicular bisector. I am taking angle bisector. ठीक है? Construction is angle bisector. Angle bisector means, Aditya? Angle bisector means? Yes, with the line which divides the angle into two equal parts. So these two angles will be equal. I label them angle 1, angle 2. So what can I say? Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Therefore, okay, proof we will start. What to do? Okay, first I will select the triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. ABD and ACD. Let us check which parts are equal. Sanskriti, one by one. What we know? Dekh lo given. Sanskriti. Yes. Be loud. There are two cuts in the sides. AB. We are given with AB equals to AC. Okay, done. One part is done. Now next, by construction, Divya. And AD common, okay. AD equals to AD. So it is given, it is common side for both the triangles. Now next, Chetan, next. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, why? By construction. By construction. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Which criteria? SAS, correct? Sanskriti, correct? SAS होगा? Check करो sequence. Select one triangle. I select triangle ABD. Okay. Now this is S because I am talking about this also. I talked about this also, this angle, and I talked about this side. Sequence check करो. Side, angle, side. When I talk about side, angle, side, it means angle should be included between two sides. Side, angle, side. Okay. So this is side, angle, side, congruence rule. So what is the benefit of making these two triangles congruent? Angle B. Angle B equals to angle C. Why? CPCT. What is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence,